The weather continues to improve across western South Africa, where we are going to see cloud-free skies this Saturday, allowing for sunny weather across much of the northern and western Cape. It's going to be sunny as well over parts of the Free State and the northwest. We are also expecting a northeasterly breeze to help push up afternoon temperatures over parts of the west and the south coast. However, further east, it's going to stay cloudy with light rain along the east coast and the eastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Drizzly weather is forecast over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Now, we are expecting up to a 40% chance of rain this Saturday along the east coast and the eastern parts of KZN. The rain will also extend into the Mpumalanga Highveld. A 20% chance of drizzle is forecast for the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Afternoon temperatures are going to stay rather nippy over the southern interior. Sutherland managing a high of just 13 degrees, 17 in George, 16 for DR. Mild temperatures are also forecast across the rest of the interior. Bloemfontein will peak at 18, 19 in Kimberley. Pretoria will also stay at 19 degrees, 17 in Joburg. Chile as we go towards Mbombela, where a high of just 15 is forecast. Durban and Richards Bay will peak at 20 degrees, 19 for East London, Port Elizabeth and George, and the mother city will peak at 21 degrees. Here's a look at coastal conditions, starting with the west coast. We are still expecting good beach conditions over these coastal areas with fresh offshore winds expected, especially for Alexander Bay and the Namaqualand area. The winds become stronger as we go towards Lambert's Bay, and this will happen in the afternoon hours. Along the southwest coastline, we are also expecting favorable beach conditions here. Light winds are forecast for much of the day, but the winds become moderate as we go towards Cape Agulhas, coming from an offshore direction. Along the south coast, we are going to see good beach conditions as well, especially around Muscle Bay. Fairly favorable beach conditions from Plettenberg Bay extending into Port Elizabeth, where mostly an easterly to northeasterly airflow is forecast throughout Saturday. Lastly, along the east coast, the beach conditions are not going to be favorable here from the Wild Coast extending into Richards Bay, where a fresh southerly airflow is forecast.
News that moves. eNCA.com.